Once a fish is detected, instinct kicks in. The birds go after their prey with the precision of a jet fighter. The cormorant uses its webbed feet underwater to propel itself. It snatches up fish as quickly as it can. The cormorants know Fung well and usually return to the boat without being called. But like greedy children, they often don't know when to stop. Fung massages the bird's neck to remove the fish from its throat.
反不好的话，鸬鹚会脖子那些划烂掉的。这个鸬鹚捕鱼是看起来是比较简单，但是这个项目是最难的一个项目。
Then it's back in the water to fish again. The cormorants have hit the jackpot. It's a fishing frenzy. One cormorant can catch up to 10 kilograms of fish in a single day.
哎，我这样捕到一条鱼是太满意了，太喜欢了，哈哈哈哈，太笑了！捕到这么第一条鱼是太刺激了，我最喜欢这个镜头。
It's a unique bond between man and bird. Now the cormorants must rest, holding their wings out majestically to dry.